Singer Huey Lewis says he has lost most of his hearing. As a result, Huey Lewis and the News have canceled all of their remaining 2018 performances at the recommendation of the lead singer's doctors. Lewis says he lost his hearing just before a show in Dallas earlier this year. He has sought treatment at the House Ear Institute, the Stanford Ear Institute, and the Mayo Clinic. A statement posted on Facebook by Lewis reads in part, "Although I can still hear a little, one-on-one and on the phone, I can't hear music well enough to sing. Therefore, the only prudent thing to do is to cancel all future shows. Needless to say, I feel horrible about this and wish to sincerely apologize to all the fans who've already bought tickets and were planning to come see us. I'm going to concentrate on getting better and hope that one day soon I'll be able to perform again." The Grammy Award-winning band is behind the famous songs The Power of Love, The Heart of Rock and Roll, and If This Is It, among others. In New York City, I'm Summer Delaney.